Hey Bill, I am so excited to join you in our road trip. We are headed in January to New Jersey. We're going to Boston. We're going to go out west and go to San Diego and San Francisco and do these kind of in-market seminars. It seems like in the industry right now, there's a lot of exciting new therapies coming to market, being developed, but also it seems like there's a significant push specifically in combination drug devices. I understand you're speaking a little bit about that. You wanna give us some details?
Yes, I will be, and I'm looking forward to it. I've been working in drug delivery devices and combination products for over 20 years now, and what's happening now is absolutely amazing. The momentum is building, the patient acceptance is high. It's just exploding right now, and we're really looking forward to talking about some of the trends that are happening and how to best take advantage of those trends.
Awesome. Yeah, I can imagine, putting myself in the shoes of a sponsor company looking to, bring one of these into a clinical trial or potentially commercialize it. That's got to be daunting. I think we've got some best practices to share. You want to talk a little bit about that?
Absolutely. There really are a lot of options and a lot of flexibility that allows the sponsor to select what's best for their patient population. And we'll spend some time walking through how to do that, how to demystify that, and ultimately create a great experience for the patient, even where it might be suitable for a specific geography or a patient subpopulation. We'll talk through all those different options and help customers make best decisions for their patients.
Awesome. Well, I can't wait. This really sounds like a fantastic event. For those who are looking to register, we'd love to have you. You can simply go to PCI.com and register online, or simply just hang on to this video and scan the QR code.